Hello, welcome to Postcolonial Space. I'm Masood Raja, and today I just want to announce a new exciting project that I'm about to start, and that is a complete reading and discussion of Edward Said's Orientalism. Now, the reason, of course, I'm doing this is because I consider Orientalism to be one of the most significant books for postcolonial studies, but also generally a book that impacted various fields of study. But I don't want to just give a summary of it or a discussion of different chapters. I actually want to read the book with you, maybe over a long period, because after all it's a 350-page book, but to do it so that we have a resource where we have read the book carefully, word by word, line by line, and talked about it over a long period. So that's the project. And what prompted me to do this is because I'm in the middle of recording my reading and discussion of Paulo Freire's Pedagogy of the Oppressed. Please check that out too. That's another book that I admire and that has impacted my life. So I thought in my own field there is no other book more significant than Orientalism. So I thought maybe I should become a little more ambitious and try to do a full recording, reading and discussion of Orientalism, paragraph by paragraph, chapter by chapter. So that's what this series is going to be about. Please feel free to share any ideas, any questions that you might have, any suggestions that you might have, and I would love to incorporate that, into this project. Also, if you teach literary studies or postcolonialism or anthropology or any other field in which Orientalism is pertinent, I do urge you to please use these lectures in your classes. That's what they are for, so that students can access them freely and scholars in my field can also access these freely. And to be, constantly aware of what's going on my channel, please do subscribe if you haven't already done so, because then you will get timely notifications of anything new that we put on. And that's all I have to say about this exciting new series. So please look for forthcoming lectures on Orientalism. I keep calling them lectures, but it's mostly my conversations with you. And I'll start putting them out as soon as I can. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you're staying safe during these hard times, and I will now see you next time. Hopefully, my hope is, with my first video conversation about Orientalism. Thank you, and peace and love.